Hello and welcome to the Account Manager's Minute. My name is Catherine Wolf, and today we're going to go a little bit more in depth about understanding tissue test results. Now, while I won't have near enough time to go into all the details of understanding a complete full tissue test in this video, I've linked a great resource from Midwest Labs. It's a YouTube video about an hour and a half long where they really dig deep into all the intricacies and details of understanding a tissue test and making those correlations on your farm. So check that out. Now, hopping into the tissue test, once we get our samples back, you'll get a report. This one is from Midwest Labs, and it'll look something like this. Now, as we can see looking at this report, we have kind of two different sections here. The first section over here is expressed in a percentage, and it's all of our N, P, K, and then our secondary nutrients such as calcium, sodium, and sulfur. On the other hand, the other section right here, we have our parts per million. Parts per million is expressed for the micronutrients, so your iron, manganese, boron, copper, and zinc. Now, these highlighted portions, the top bolded numbers right here, those are your numbers on your farms from the tissue test that you sent in and received back. Now, the bottom number right here, that bottom number is a sufficiency number that's been determined by Midwest Lab, and they've come up with those numbers, those sufficiency numbers, based off the yield data, based off different correlations that they found between nutrient uptake and yield data at certain specific crop growth stages for that specific crop, whether it be corn, soybeans, or alfalfa. So that right here tells us whether it's sufficient, whether we're deficient, whether we are excessive, and using these numbers, you can help correlate them between your yield data, your soil testing data, to really figure out, are you nutrient deficient in a place, or are you nutrient excessive in a place? And then two, if you also have tissue tests that are from a good part of the field and a bad part of the field, that helps you kind of determine where your nutrient levels are at. So it's a great tool to be able to monitor kind of our nutrient uptake throughout the season. And if you guys have any more questions or want to talk more about this, feel free to contact us at AgriLiquid. And if not, I hope you all have a great season ahead. Thanks for your time and have a great day.